Hey everyone, welcome back. When the Westpac app keeps crashing, start by restarting your phone. Next, head over to your app store, search for the Westpac app, and then check if the app is already updated or not. And check if there is a Open your app store, search for Westpac, and check if there is a pending update for the Westpac app or not. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. If the app is already updated, try clearing the apps cache on the Android or reinstalling the app on iPhone. Make sure your phone has enough storage space. Head over to your settings, go to General, then iPhone storage, and check whether you have sufficient storage or not. If not, make sure to clear some storage. After reinstalling the app, log in again to test the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.